Hey everyone! Welcome back to Mr. English School. I'm Rowan, your English teacher.
And I'm Beau, your student and also your friend who asks silly questions so you don't have to.
Exactly. Today's video is so important. We're going to learn 50 useful daily English phrases.
50? That's like one for every gray hair I'm getting.
Don't worry, Beau. These are short, simple, and very useful. You can use them every day.
So if I learn these 50 phrases, I can actually speak English every day?
Yes, these are the phrases native speakers use in real life, at home, with friends, at work, everywhere.
Nice! I'm ready. But first, Rowan, tell them the most important phrase.
Oh yes, viewers, please say it with us. Don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe, like, and join us for more English fun. Let's start with greetings. Easy, but powerful. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. How are you? I'm fine, thank you.
So if it's 7 a.m., I say good morning. But if it's midnight and I'm eating pizza?
Then you say, good evening, and I'm very hungry.
Okay, let's role play. Good morning, Rowan.
Good morning, Beau. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Perfect. Viewers, repeat after us. Good morning. How are you? Now some polite words. Please. Thank you. You're welcome. Excuse me. Sorry.
Rowan, if I eat the last slice of your pizza, what do I say?
You say sorry and thank you for sharing.
And I'll say you're welcome, but maybe not share again.
True. Repeat after us. Please. Thank you. Sorry. Now phrases at home. Time to wake up. Let's eat. I'm tired. Clean your room. Good night.
Oh, number 4, my mom's favorite phrase, clean your room.
Yes, every parent says that. Let's role play. Time to wake up, Beau.
Oh, I'm tired. Let's eat breakfast. Okay, but only after I clean my room.
Nice. Viewers, repeat. I'm tired. Good night. Now phrases at school or work. What time is it? Let's start. I need help. Can you repeat that? Good job. Number 4 is my favorite. I always ask Rowan, can you repeat that? And I always say, of course, Beau. What time is it? It's time to learn English. Good job asking. Now, shopping phrases. How much is this? Can I try it on? Do you have this in another size? That's too expensive. I'll take it.
Rowan, if I say that's too expensive, will the shopkeeper make it cheaper?
Sometimes yes, sometimes no. But it's always useful to try. Now eating out. I'd like a coffee, please. Can I see the menu? This is delicious. Check, please. Can we sit outside?
I like number 3. This is delicious because I say it after pizza, burgers, fries, tacos, basically everything.
Exactly. Now, phrases for traveling. Where is the bus stop? How far is it? I'd like a ticket. Is this the right train? I'm lost.
This one is very real. I'm lost.
Yes, I say that every time I go to a new city. Now, with friends. What's up? Let's hang out. I like your shirt. That's funny. See you later.
Number 3 is great for making friends. If you say, I like your shirt, people smile. Rowan, I like your shirt today.
Thank you, Beau. Viewers, try it too. Now, feelings. I'm happy. I'm sad. I'm hungry. I'm busy. I'm bored.
Rowan, right now, I'm happy.
Good. I'm happy too. But maybe later, you'll be hungry.
Always.
And now the last group. Extra useful phrases. Wait a minute. I don't understand. Can you help me? Let's go. Take care.
Number 2 is my favorite. I don't understand because that's my brain in math class.
Same here. Okay, friends, now it's practice time. We'll say part of a phrase, and you finish it. Good morning. How are you? Clean your room. Can you repeat that. See you later. Nice job, everyone. Wait, let's add some bonus phrases. Nice to meet you. Have a nice day. What do you do? Do you like music? It's a beautiful day.
Rowan, that's not fair. Now it's more than 50.
Yes, but our viewers love a bonus. So, today we learned 50, actually more than 50, daily English phrases.
We practiced greetings, shopping, travel, feelings, everything.
Now here's your challenge. Choose 5 of these phrases and write them in the comments in your own sentences.
For example, I'm hungry. Let's eat pizza.
Good one.
And remember, practice every day. Speak these phrases out loud.
Thank you for watching, friends. Take care and see you next time.